This is NDTV, and you're watching NDTV Profit.
Let's move on. Insecticides India. Next stock in focus for the first quarter, as far as the company is concerned, performance been fairly muted. If you look at the performance, top line at 148 crores, PAT at 11.7 crores compared to 9 crores, a jump of about 29% on the profit front. EBITDA margins have grown, but just about 200 basis points. We have with us Rajesh Agrawal, MD at Insecticides India, joining us. Rajesh, thank you so much for joining us. Let's talk about the margin performance. 200 basis point jump in the margins. What were the reasons behind this jump?
There have been multiple reasons actually, because there have been two collaborations which are signed this year. One is with the American company called as American Vanguard Corporation. This is for a brand called Nuvan, which is a very popular insecticide brand actually. And this has received a very good support from the Indian market. And similarly, there is one more collaboration signed with a Japanese company called Nissan, with which we have launched two new products actually, Hakama and Pulsar. So all these three products, they have received a very good success in this new year. And apart from this, we have also started production in our Dahej unit, which is a new unit actually, and that has supported us in increasing the sales of our technicals as well as our branded products. So all these things put together, they have supported us in increasing the volumes in the first quarter.
Rajesh, performance was good, but I believe your finance cost have jumped quite substantially. What are the components behind this rise in finance cost?
Majorly, the investment in Dahej has been huge. Actually, we have roughly spent more than 100 crores actually in the project. And as the volumes, the sales target of growth are also very high. So we have to borrow for the working capital also this year actually. So last year we did a total turnover of 554 crores, and this year we are planning somewhere around 800 crores actually. So a lot of import burden and everything is there, for which we had to take some loans actually, the term loans also, as well as there was an increase in working capital also, which is showing in the balance sheet.
Right. So does that mean that working capital might get slightly stretched for this year?
I believe it is mostly in line actually, because the turnover will be growing by 40-45%. So you will find that the increase in the loans would be also in that range widely. So I don't think that there is going to be the pressure on us, but yes, the interest burden is going to show a temporary hike actually for 1-2 years actually, and with the internal accruals, I believe within next 2 years this will come down.
Any more joint ventures, product innovations on the horizon?
Yeah, we are working for that, and I believe that we'll be announcing the thing shortly. Once we sign the agreement, we'll come and announce it in public.
All right, Rajesh. Thank you so much for joining us.
This is NDTV, and you're watching NDTV Profit.